If you're wondering how to use Mailchimp for personal branding, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to harness the power of Mailchimp to take your personal brand to the next level without spending a dime. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll discover a special bonus just for you. First things first, let's talk about why Mailchimp is perfect for building a personal brand. It's not just an email marketing tool, it's a platform that can help you connect with your audience, build trust, and grow your influence. With Mailchimp, you can create stunning email campaigns, manage your audience, and track your results all in one place. And the best part? You can use it for free with the link in the description below, where we've included some exclusive bonuses for you. Next thing, let's dive into segmentation. Building a personal brand means connecting with people in a way that feels personal and authentic. Mailchimp lets you segment your audience, which means you can send tailored content to different groups. You can target people who have shown interest in certain aspects of your brand, which keeps them engaged and helps you build a stronger, more loyal following. The third thing you'll want to use is Mailchimp's email automation features. When you automate your emails, you save time while still keeping your audience engaged. For instance, setting up a welcome email series is a great way to introduce new subscribers to your personal brand, tell them your story, and guide them through your content. This keeps your audience interested and builds your brand's credibility. Next, let's talk about design. You might not be a graphic designer, but with Mailchimp's drag-and-drop email builder, you don't have to be. You can create professional-looking emails that reflect your personal brand style. The templates are customizable, so whether you're sharing blog posts, announcing new projects, or just staying connected, your emails will look polished and professional. The fifth thing to consider is analytics. Mailchimp gives you detailed insights into how your emails are performing, open rates, click-through rates, and more. This data helps you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to fine-tune your strategy and grow your personal brand even more effectively. And finally, you can integrate Mailchimp with other tools you use to build your personal brand. From social media to your website, Mailchimp works seamlessly with a wide range of platforms, making it easier for you to manage your brand's presence across multiple channels. To recap, Mailchimp is an all-in-one solution for personal branding. You can segment your audience, automate your emails, design stunning campaigns, track your results, and integrate with other platforms, all for free if you use the link in the description below. Make sure you stick around to grab your exclusive extended free trial of Mailchimp, only available to viewers of this video. Get started today and start building your personal brand with Mailchimp.